Welcome to Reptilian Diaries. I'm Frank. We do reptiles here. Xenosaurus grandis. Huge bucket list species for me. Central Mexico. Let's go. Back at it. Reptilian Diaries. About to get on an airplane. Central Mexico. We made it through security. Got some juice. We got a couple hours still to chill, so we got a little booth, charging phones, getting ready. That was a brutal flight. I haven't slept. My eyes are barely open, but we've got a new guest.
What's up?
Yay, yay. So we got a bus ticket for Puebla, and we're waiting for it. And I don't even know. I'm so tired. So hopefully I'll sleep on the bus, and we're gonna hit the ground running. We're on this bus right now, and it's amazing. A+. It's like super coach. Better than the plane. 2.5 hours. Oh my gosh. And then we're like there's no sleeping. 2.5 hours and we get after it, so. What do we do? We'll see. Hopefully I sleep right now. Yeah, we made it to the bus terminal. I actually got a little bit of sleep. Did you get sleep, boy?
Much needed. That was brutal.
It was insane. But what time is it? It's like 8 o'clock or something. So we got here bright and early. So yeah. Woo! We made it. Pretty psyched. Holy macaroni. This is literally like driving through a garden. Nuts, bro. Nuts, bro. Yo. So we made it to the house we're staying at up in the Highlands. And Xenosaurus, here we come. Perfect habitat. The rocks are like ridiculous. There's orchids everywhere. Absolutely beautiful. It's kind of like mixed coffee plus just house plants. It's insane. And yeah, there's rocks everywhere. So I'm pretty positive that we will not be getting skunked on these bad boys. So we're going to hit the road, go find them. Here we are again. Riding in the back of a truck. If you've watched my videos, this should remind you of Ecuador. But now we're in Mexico and this road's way gnarly. Holy crap. They're falling.
I almost just fell out of the truck.
¿Qué especie? Variabilis? The variabilis. Look at those rocks. Xenosaurus habitat right there. Okay. So we got a Xenosaurus down in this crack. I'm gonna see if we can get him out. So this, oh fuck. This is why we did all that driving. This is Xenosaurus grandis in Veracruz. Look at this habitat. These are the cracks where you're gonna find them. Obviously super tropical, ferns everywhere. There's peperomias and pilia and syngonium, monstera, philodendron. But yeah, it's fairly warm. It's probably 80 degrees. Just absolutely awesome.
Big one, big one.
Whew.
Well done.
Man. Oh, fuck. That's sweltering work. Sitting in here with monstera and syngonium and flies everywhere, but hey, we got one. Oh yeah, big boy. Yeah, look at that one. Wow. So angry. That's why we came up here to see the Xenosaurus. Excellent work. All right, it's me and Beto and Greg in the back. We got Xenosaurus grandis. Wow, look at those red eyes. And literally right behind us, this is the habitat. This crack right here, this is where they live. Straight up jungle, super mossy. I mean, we're in a coffee plantation actually. There's philodendrons everywhere, tillandsias on the trees, bromeliads on the trees. Humid as hell. And we're gonna let this little one go. This is literally one of my favorite lizards of all time. So damn cool. We caught a handful of them up here. Just psyching, gonna let them go. And there she went. That's what it's all about. All righty. Bye. Greggy. Boom. All right, so tonight things turned around. We did excellent. Found 2 micro species. I think we found 2 or 3 species of frogs. The Xenosaurus was absolutely amazing. And now we're gonna go down to a little lagoon and see some more frogs, maybe even some more snakes. So we're gonna film the coral snakes tomorrow morning just because they're psycho in the night and it's too sketchy. And we'll do the frogs. We're gonna do a photo shoot tomorrow. So tonight we're gonna go down and yeah, do a little more herping. And I'm gonna bring the GoPro with me. So I'm gonna do a little more filming on that. Up in the jungle earlier tonight, it was just really, really wet and slippery. So I didn't have the camera on me too often, but it'll be dope. Stoked. 2 coral snake species, we thought. After checking out the guidebooks, one of them ended up being Pleocercus elapoides, which is the false coral snake. So the red and black one, which actually looked more like a typical coral snake, was actually a harmless snake. So that was interesting because we definitely took precautions catching that snake and ended up being harmless. But hey, better safe than sorry. The other one, Micrurus elegans, was every bit a coral snake, highly venomous, really cool to see. Just way too sketchy to film them up in the jungle. It was incredibly wet and slippery, so we brought them back down to the house we were staying at and filmed them in their yard, which was, I don't know, 15 minutes away from where we were, and then we released them. Other than that, bunch of frogs that evening, and then we're also going to just kind of roll some B-roll and some photos of stuff we found, you know, getting up to the zone and throughout the day, and stuff that we found messing around. Altogether, though, really fun trip. Super eye-opening. I love Mexico. Had never been to Puebla and Veracruz down in central Mexico. Really fun place. Difficult herping, but the targets are awesome. And Xenosaurus is one of my top 5 lizards, like, period. So it was so dope to see those in real life. Anyone who's keeping really any of the species of Xenosaurus that are in captivity, whether it be Platyceps or Numenorum or grandis, watch the video closely. I mean, look back, check the habitat, check the rocks. I said a couple times that it was fairly cool, meaning high 70s, low 80s, but the humidity was nuts. Like you can see me sweating and stuff up there, like through my shirt, and it really wasn't that hot. It was just crazy humid. So keep that in mind. These lizards are not needing really any sort of light other than to grow plants. I mean, I found these things in damn near pitch dark, like jungle. Like it wasn't pitch dark, it was light out, but you know, the canopy was so thick and these rocks were so buried that I would speculate that UVB is not necessary for these animals, but you know, why not? So, I hope you enjoyed this one. We'll see you soon.
Ahí van a grabar.
Found some frogs in Amplexus.
Oh, look, there's one of your 3 frogs right there. Where? There? I see him. Yeah.
Super cool. What are these?
Similisca cyanosticta.
Smilisca cyanosticta in Amplexus. Nice. That is Smilisca cyanosticta. It's a pretty large tree frog. They're not quite as big as the Morlettis, but they're big. It was the ones that we just saw in Amplexus. And yeah, there's a lot of frogs around this little pond. It's really cool.
No hubiera pensado que yo me iba a enamorar, jamás no quería saber nada más, nunca más. pero vos apareciste de repente y me hablaste con una voz tan dulce que perdí la razón y mi corazón. Ay, amor, no te preocupes, que yo siempre he de quererte, de amarte y admirarte. Ay, amor, no te preocupes, lo que siento yo por vos es cada vez más fuerte. Yo pensaba que esto del amor ya se me había pasado y que no era para mí nunca más. Pero el amor llega así, de esa manera, cuando uno menos se lo espera. Se abrió la puerta y sin pensar dejas entrar el amor. No te preocupes, que yo siempre he de quererte, de amarte y admirarte. Ay, amor, no te preocupes, lo que siento yo por vos es cada vez más fuerte. Ahora todo tiene sentido, esto es lo mejor que he vivido. Por si no lo has comprendido, me quedo contigo. Ay, amor, no te preocupes, que yo siempre he de quererte, de amarte y admirarte. Ay, amor, no te preocupes, lo que siento yo por vos es cada vez más fuerte.
So we're wrapping it up in the mountains here. Found Xenosaurus, found one species of coral snake and a false coral snake. Yeah, it's been really, really cool up here. Really neat. Xenosaurus was just unreal on the bucket list. Pollo? Pollo. Careful, you're next.
Thanks for watching.